Greetings and welcome back to the mat. This is yoga taught by Taylor, and today is all about happy hips. So meet me in your tabletop, palms underneath your shoulders, knees underneath your hips. Spread your fingers wide, and we're going to jump straight into it with our cat-cow. Drop your belly, round your crown and your tailbone up and out. And exhale, roll through your spine. Gaze to your belly button, press into your upper back. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Inhale forward. This time we're going to find a little movement, bringing our gaze over our shoulder, wagging our tailbone from side to side. Finding any movement that feels really good for the spine. Coming back to center. We'll press into cat and wagging our tail from side to side. Release the low back. Coming back to center. Inhale forward. Exhale back. And we'll come back to neutral. We're going to sweep our left leg around to the outer edge of our mat. Pressing into our hips. Taking a moment, notice how you feel. Remember, it's your practice, so listen to your body. And if you can, we're going to drop into the elbows. Focus on breathing into those sensations. Nice and slow. Staying present. One more breath. And we'll press back into the hands. Gently sweep it around. Switch it out. Right leg forward. Sink into your hips. You want your knee over your ankle, never pressing past your toes. And then drop it into the elbows. Softening with every exhale. Creating more space in the body. And the mind. Pressing back into the hands. Gently sweep it around. Send your knees back just a little bit. We're going to take some hip circles here. Dropping your hips over towards the right. Let it roll through center. Send it to the left. And pressing back. Really get into what it feels like for your body, not what it looks like. And next time you press back, send it to the left. And just one more. And meeting me back in tabletop. We'll take the knees wide, big toes come together. Send the hips down and back. Child's pose, forehead to your mat, reaching out through the hands, sinking down through the hips. bringing the hands into prayer overhead. Taking this posture just a little bit deeper. Hands back forward. We'll press back into our tabletop. Tucking the toes, send the hips up and out, down dog. Sinking into your heels, pressing out through the palms, giving our outer edge a nice deep stretch. Big inhale. Exhale, slowly lower back down to the knees. Sending your right knee forward, we're coming into pigeon pose. Your knee pointing towards the front of your mat, reaching out through the left foot. You want to get your heart over your hips. Take your time, walk it down. Maybe resting on the hands like a pillow. Scanning the body, see where you can soften. And we'll press back up. Left hand to the inside of the knee. Exhale, sweep the right hand behind you, reaching towards those toes. Gaze forward. If you like to take this posture deeper, grab a hold of your foot. Staying present with the breath. Exhale, gently release. And pressing back into our tabletop. Switch it out, left leg forward. Sink into the hips, heart over the hips, and then walk it down. Finding that resting posture. One more breath. And we'll press back up. Right hand to the inside of the knee. I'm going to sweep the left around, reaching out. Nice and strong in my posture. My gaze is forward. Bending at the knee if you like. Grab a hold of your foot. See where you can soften, maybe even smile. Gently release. Coming back to our tabletop. We'll find one more posture to strengthen the hips. Bending at the knee, taking the left leg out. We're going to create circles. Moving with our breath, inhaling up, exhaling down. And we'll send it in the opposite direction. Inhale, exhale. One more. And return it back to the mat. Switch it out, right knee up. Inhale forward. taking your time, feeling every edge of that hip, and we'll send it back opposite direction. Last one, nice and wide. Exhale down. Opening the knees as wide as they'll go. Sending the toes out into frog pose. Open nice and wide like a split. Coming down into the elbows. Take your time, allow yourself to settle into this posture. Maybe opening just a little wider. We'll take a big inhale. Exhale, send your hips back towards your heels. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Moving with your breath. Two more. Inhale forward. Exhale back. Really sink into it. Inhale. And exhale. We'll press back into the hands. Gently, slowly closing the knees. Come back to sitting on your heels. Nice long spine. Bringing your hands to the top of your knees. Relax the shoulders down and back. Close the eyes and deepen the breath. Letting everything settle in from your practice. Enjoying this moment of peace and clarity. Bringing the hands to heart center. Thanking yourself for showing up today. Taking time for the mind, body, and spirit. May your day continue in ease and flow. The light in me honors the light in you. Namaste. Thank you. Peace.